Okay, okay. Let's test out again. Let's see. So now that I'm live, I need to go to. Wait. I'll show you. Now that I'm live, I need to go here. Wait for my bot to say that I'm live. So I'm guessing in a few seconds. Which at the moment, if I do see. All right, so now we are live. Let's say hi. Okay. If I go to Discord bot, go like this, copy message, no, copy text. Actually, no, what am I doing? Okay. If I go to Discord bot, all right, so now I'm actually live. It works. Okay. Now I copy this link and go to here, paste, connect to YouTube. Let's hope it works. Let's say okay, I don't know what this, but anyway, point system, okay. All right, so I'm guessing right now you can see 3 times me. Let's see if I type something hi. Will it say something? Nope.
Hi.
Oh, it said it. Okay then. So basically, even if I don't do anything, it's working. Hello, my name is Chris. How are you? Let's see if it replies. If it takes a few seconds. Oh, yeah, maybe I'm not supposed to. I'm not supposed to talk from here. I'm supposed to talk from the stream. All right, so hello. My name is Chris. How are you? Let's see the cat.
Hello, my name is Chris. How are you?
Hey, it works. Nice.
Hi.
Oh, hello, Abhay Gupta. Is that correct? Uh, Basically, I'm just trying to fix. Wait, let me open it. I'm trying to fix this so that I don't have to press the play text.
Pog Online Poggers.
This is like the test version. So okay, I guess it works now. Okay, nice. I didn't have anything planned for today. It's not a real stream. It's just a test so that the cat can talk. As you can
Ooh.
see, it's right here. Um, what's this about? Wait, let me just move.
What's this about?
Uh, Basically, I've been working on my. Wait, I'll show you 1 sec. Okay, I've been working on a little project called AI Chris. Um,
Cool. That's awesome.
It is awesome. uh, he's at the moment he's offline, so I'm gonna try and see if I can make him work again. One moment. Copy. Wait, close this. All, paste, save, and run. Let's see. If he talks, if he shows here that it's logged in. Wait, why is it showing? Wait, I'm trying to see because it's not showing everything on the. One moment. Right here, the screen is a bit low, so I'm gonna try and make it smaller. Wait, where is display capture? Move this here. How do I transform? Transform. Center on screen, center vertical flip. Fit to screen. Okay. I'm just gonna do. No. Well, I'm guessing this is gonna be the entire screen. So. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so we have here display. All right. So right now he is logged in. So I'm gonna go to my Discord channel and press join. There you go. He's here. I need to also have open this one here so I can see what you're doing, what you're saying. All right. So Discord. So right now he is online with me inside the voice. Let's see if he can hear us. Hey Chris, what's up? Bum, 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 bum.
Hey there. I'm doing great, and you?
Wait, why is it so low? One moment. Cable. I'm good. You. One sec. So from Streamlabs, I need to make Discord a bit louder. Where is Discord? Discord is right here. Let's see if he can talk. I think it's busted. Okay. Maybe I go to. Nope, not here. Let's help toggle listen, removal. All right. Yeah, he's not talking. Why is he not talking? Let's see. Disconnect. Join. Yeah, it gets stuck. Every now and then it gets stuck. run without bugs. Let's see. I need to fix this. Okay, so I can see everything. Is he signed in? He's signed in. Let's see. Join. Join gaming. Okay. Now open volume mixer. Go down. Where's the cable? Cable is here. Discord is 1. Why 1? Not 26. Maybe 12. All right. Let's test it.
I think my messages aren't reaching you on YouTube.
Your messages are reaching me. It's just I think my messages aren't reaching you. They are reaching me. It's just a little bit delayed. Because I just saw it right now, and it worked with the TTS. If there's a way to make it a bit faster. Oh yeah, they did. Yeah. Like if I'm looking at the YouTube, I can read them. The cat though takes a little bit of time. Well, let's see. I need to see if I can actually wait like this here.
I wrote a big one, it didn't.
I need to fix the volume so I can hear as well. Wait, where is it? More volume settings. No. I want mixer. This is not. Nope. I wrote a big one. It didn't. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm still working on this microphone privacy. No. Open volume. I think because I have this cable thing on, it's mixing it up with yeah. If I do the cable, I don't hear how loud it is. It's kind of weird. Output device cable. What if I do headset? Okay, let me see now. 14. Okay. Can you hear me clearly, or because like for me it's very low? Like I can, if I close the video and watch it, it's gonna be loud. If I have it open, it's low. Right, so okay, so this is fine. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Ah, nice. Now I can hear myself well as well. It's a I don't know, maybe I need to replug my headphones. Okay, let's test again. Hello, Chris. Tell me a joke.
Hello. Here's a joke for you. Why did the chicken cross the road? To show the world that he was a free-range bird. I hope it made you laugh.
It didn't make me laugh, but it was a good attempt. And it's stuck again. What the? I think that my PC cannot take avatars and all that stuff. So wait, if I get rid of the one of the avatars, maybe it might work. So I'm gonna get rid of the VC phase 1, this one here. Let's see what it does.
I made a Discord bot last year. It used an API to fetch jokes. It was not AI though.
Oh, well, this one is not using an API to make jokes. Basically, I will show you what I did. CMD. Okay. Basically, I downloaded Ollama. So Ollama. Run AI Chris. So this is AI Chris. I downloaded Ollama, and from Ollama I downloaded Llama 2 uncensored, because the original Llama 2 was not that good. It kept telling me, wait, just so that, let's see, where's my camera?
Cool Ollama does take up a lot of space, no?
Wait, can you see me now, or am I? Where's the camera? One sec. This is, yes, activate. Nice. Let's open the lights. Hello. So, okay, basically, yeah, I downloaded Ollama. The cat is here, yes.
I see the cat.
It's right here. The cat is the reason I hear you when you type. That's what I've been trying to do with this VTS POG for the last week.
Okay, I see you.
It has a little bit of a delay, but I think it's okay. So yeah, I basically downloaded Llama 2. It kept telling me that, it's not supposed to do a few things because, it's filtered. And then I downloaded Llama 2 uncensored, which can actually talk normally. And yeah, I
This
created.
delay is annoying, lol.
It is. Let me see. Is there another way to do it? Because like the stream doesn't have a delay. Or actually, wait, maybe it does. Somebody. All right, let's see. Let's try it now. Okay. So now basically it says that it's got lower delay. So I hope so. I hope it works. Now the VTS one. Wait, where's Discord? Put him here. And
BTW, I make small unfinished games lol.
you make small unfinished games. Well, maybe one day if I get this right, we can play a game. Or I can you can stream and we can play a game together even without the AI. I need to see. Is there a way to lessen moderation? No, these are banned words. Settings, chat, pick newest message after delay. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. Auto read all messages.
Yes, also hide your GPT history smiling face with tear.
I don't mind, man. I don't mind about my GPT history. It's nothing that much. I've been using ChatGPT since it came out, and I tried even like roleplay. I've tried programming. I've tried anything you can imagine. I'm just gonna put this. I haven't streamed. Yes, I also hide your I haven't streamed since 2019, I think before COVID. Yeah. It was I was only streaming when I first came to this city, so that was around.
You literally searched how to create fake of accounts loudly, crying, face, sob.
Yes.
Oh.
How to create fake on. Well, the reason I searched the fake OnlyFans accounts was because I wanted to try and see if I can make an AI OnlyFans. So instead of being a real person, it would just be AI doing all the uh, videos or chats or replies to comments. But yeah, in the end, I didn't do it. I know someone who did, and he's getting a lot of money. By the way, where are you from? Let's see. I don't think it tells me anything yet, unless I finish the stream and then later on. Okay, I don't know. For some reason, it's not showing me everything I need. So
India.
India. Oh, nice. I have a friend called Rockness. He plays Path of Exile. He's from India, but he lives in the USA. We play like a couple of times Path of Exile. Now it's just more League of Legends for a while. Just gonna drink some water because this is getting closed.
Oh, that's cool.
I think I learned a bit of Hindu, or no, not Hindu, Hindi, but I forgot it. I had some notes about a year ago. I learned how to say hello, how to say my name, and then I forgot. I don't play any
I
games.
don't play any games, but I do make games.
Well, I have a good game idea for you,
Lol.
which is basically something I wanted to do since I started playing games. So maybe you can do it, and maybe you can get the credit for it. Are you ready? It's a simulation game. You can do it like in VR if you want. About basically 3 stages of us going into space. And this was before I even knew. Ah, yes, Namaste.
Namaste, Mera naam Chris hi, means hi, my name is Chris in Hindi.
Mera naam Chris. Hi. Ah, yes, I used to forget
Sure.
to put the hi. Alright, so listen up. The game is basically it begins the first version, the first part that you are on Earth, and the simulation is that you are trying to teach others how to how to survive on a spaceship, which is basically it's 5 spaceships together, but they're gonna be different servers. And on each ship, there are a ton of things to do, like from jobs, hobbies. There are gonna be about 1,000 rooms, bedrooms, cinema, entertainment. And if you go like towards the front area, it's gonna be the co-pilots. And so the main role of the player will be to choose a life to have on that ship. And with each patch or with each update that you can do, you can let them stop on a certain planet. Yes, something like Ready Player One. I had this idea before I even knew about
Ready
Elon
Player One
Musk.
kind of vibes?
Yes. Basically, you just, put your VR on, like Ready Player One, and live a virtual life on the spaceships and on the planets that you're going to be going to for a season. That's it. And if you want to, you can use the internet by a PC console that is going to be inside the ship. Basically VR chat or Ready Player One, but yeah, on a spaceship. So that's your game. That's one you can make.
Lol, that's not a job for indie developers haha, the haha would sound weird on the AI voice lol.
Actually, it sounded just good, just great. Okay, you might be an indie developer for indie game, but that's how you start. You make a small alpha test, or a demo, and then you find a bigger team that can help you make the bigger one.
Yeah, did actually haha.
By the way this stream looks right now is like parallel universes. I went to a seminar a few weeks ago for 2 days, and we were talking about quantum mechanics and how to use it in real life.
Also, I am a student, so I am looking for colleges.
Okay. What do you want to study? Which colleges do you want to go to? I will be taking a small break so I can
Lol,
listen to
that's
your.
real.
Let's see. What if I make? So I don't need this. Okay. I think I need to move this. I don't know what to look at. Wait,
I am ambitious.
you are ambitious. No, this is here. Okay. Even I am not sure. No, man. You can do it. You
I
can
am
do it.
ambitious, but even I am not sure.
You can do it if you have the patience and the drive. I remember when I was taking a game design course.
But yeah, I do code a lot.
Yeah. You code so that it's easier. When I was doing a game design course in the UK, I learned to make like a very small game, which was basically like a Super Mario, like just a guy jumping from one level to the other and then hitting a few targets. That's it. Right now, I don't know if I could make one.
Oh, interesting.
Hmm. I need to see, where are you? Here. No. Here. Alright. So I'm gonna go.
I
for
made
the-
something like that recently.
Oh, you made one? Are you in the first year or?
Want to try?
Sure. Let's see. I can try it. Go here, paste, and then say, since I have Studio open and stream, I think it's.
I am in my last year of high school.
Oh, okay, high school. So basically, you're learning Visual Basic, Pascal, and Java. I think that's what we learned when I was in high school. So you're just at the beginning, okay. Since I have it, so I have stream. I think it's a little laggy. And Chris stops replying. This is my method of programming. I've been talking to Grok for about a month. Well, slowly, I'm okay, just learning a few things. Beautiful sound.
Nope, I am learning Python and SQL in Python, but I have been coding for past 6 years within my interest.
Oh man, okay. I mean, that's even better. That means when you go to a college, you'll be much more ahead than other students when they'll be learning how to, I don't know, write a small class grades program. You'll be making games already. I'm just waiting for this guy to fix the code. Mhm. What's your ultimate goal? Let's say about making games. What kind of games would you like to make? Don't tell me your ideas, just the style, like the genre. Look up Wikipedia. Python, SQL. Okay.
I want a game like Limbo.
Limbo. Wait, what is Limbo? Um, let's see what it is. I haven't. Limbo.
Something that becomes a hit.
I mean, if you put yourself into it, I think, yeah, you can, it will become a hit. Just let a few people play it, or you can play it on your own as well. Make a video about it and send it on to TikTok, Instagram, your Discord friends, Facebook posts, and people will try it. What is Limbo? It's horror. I don't even know how to skip this. Come on, ads.
Yep.
Yeah, and in today's video, we take a look at Limbo and its ambiguous story, which has been the topic of discussion.
Brief summary of Limbo.
As the game opens, we fade
It's
in
not
on
horror.
a young boy laying down in the depths of a dark and very ominous looking forest. He opens his eyes and sits up before setting off in. Eventually, he reaches a boat which takes him across a river and into a cavernous area where he is captured by a giant spider and spun into a webbed cocoon. The boy struggles and manages to break free, with the spider soon giving chase. Eventually,
Okay, so it's basically a 2D arcade game. What you're trying to make doesn't have to be horror. Okay, I mean, one of my favorite 2D games was Gunstar Heroes, if you've heard of it. And I used to play it on Sega Mega Drive when it was a thing.
I just like how many elements this game has.
Boy outsmarts his arachnid nemesis
Yeah.
and squishes it with a giant boulder.
Holy, okay. Alright, so it has
However,
some
he soon
strategy.
discovers that spiders are not the only predators out there, coming face to face with a tribe of older boys, all armed with deadly blowpipes and booby traps. Throughout this
Gunstar
tribe's hunting ground,
heroes?
we see dead
Like Contra?
Oh, Gunstar Heroes, I'll show you one sec. This is a very old game. Okay, let me just open it. Which one? Let's say it's just 1 hour, but we're not gonna watch all of the 1 hour. Sega. Just oh no. Shit. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, so basically it's two guys trying to save a girl, as always. And yeah, whatever. Let's go to the gameplay. Here, basically, you choose. Wait, let it open. Come on.
I have played like really old ones as well. My old PC was 15 years old as well as second-hand lol.
Oh, okay.
Notch a game.
15 years old. I used my oldest PC was when Windows 95 was my first PC. And after that, well, before that it was PlayStation 1, I think. No. First, I began with Sega Mega Drive, which I'm playing this game. Then I got my Game Boy Color, then PlayStation 1, and Windows 95.
Almost same as my age 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I never had a console.
You never had a console. Well, that means you've never played games like a child would play on a console. Like Bomberman, Gunstar Heroes, also Revenge of Shinobi, Mortal Kombat. Okay, and then the
But
other.
I won my new computer just a month ago from a coding competition. It's a MacBook.
Okay. What did you have to do in the competition? What was the target to win the prize? And I missed this.
Yeah, I have played Doberman and Mortal Kombat. Make a game lol.
Should I make a game? Okay. I haven't tried that. Until now, I've only tried to create a Discord bot and an AI Chris. That's it. It's right here, Olama.
Bomberman.
Bomberman, yeah. Wait, let's actually try it. But I don't want to use Grok because I'm going to be updating this guy here. Copy.
No, I made a game to win the MacBook.
Oh, you made the game. Okay. That means they liked the game. Did they promote it? OBS. Let's see now. If there is. The lag experience here. The one good thing
Vibe
about
coding at its peak.
Ensure the paradise.
No, it's not released yet.
Also, basically, they gave you the MacBook so that you can complete your game as a prize. Okay. Well, when it's released, if you want, I can play it.
But they did give me a grant. Whenever it's finished, I can upload it on Steam.
Okay. Well,
yes,
then,
exactly.
when it's uploaded on Steam, tell me, and I will play it. I haven't done a stream in years, so I might as well just do it.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. I mean, even this stream was not supposed to be a stream. It was supposed to be a 1-minute test. You're helping me out, and I'm helping you out. That's the thing. Sure. Okay, so wait, if
The delay is taking too many things out of the original context, lol.
Oh, how then? In what way can I make it faster? At the moment, I can only see your chat when it comes up on YouTube. My web browser. Let me see. Test. See how long it takes to appear. Okay.
Test.
Alright, so it takes for me about a few seconds, and I think for you about 4 seconds. Stream on YouTube, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, TBH, I have never streamed on YouTube, so I am not sure.
Well, this is your chance. As a game developer, you can start streaming or creating recordings of videos if it's easier for you, since you can edit out stuff that you don't want. And yeah, the only thing you have to do is get Streamlabs. For me, it's 17-20 seconds. Oh shit. Damn.
For me, it's 17 to 20 seconds.
Okay. I didn't notice. By the way, get Streamlabs fix it so that it works for you, and start showing off your games, because it's the only way you can promote yourself in the beginning. Okay, except Steam. It's like I told my dad, when he wanted to do coaching online, he was afraid because he was always in the seminars, like physically.
Devlogs. I did post some videos but usually unfinished games.
Well, why not finish them? I mean, it's a big task. I know, understand. See, I go here. What if I do? Wait. If I do this, wait. What? Okay. How do I reduce stream chat lag? It takes 17 to 20 seconds now. Go to YouTube Studio, open live stream settings, under the stream settings tab, scroll latency. It's in Greek though. No. Studio, yes. There's nothing here. Adjust OBS streaming software, even if YouTube is fast.
Don't have much time to complete games and I have to keep working on different projects to keep the creative juices flowing.
I understand. I also work 9 hours a day. But whenever I come home, I open some League of Legends. I get on Discord and I do a little bit of coding. Well, AI. So, just do it piece by piece and hopefully you'll get through it. The CPU. You should. Also, I need to go Streamlabs. Encoder, use hardware encoder, NVMe. Let's see, where is it? Wait, which one did it say? Okay. Wait.
Games are fun but my father is really strict about them so I started making my own.
Wait, he's strict about the
but
games?
They usually suck lol.
He's strict about you playing games. Recording for my any power. Yeah, I cannot change at the moment. I need to stop the stream to change these.
Yes.
Okay then. Since he is strict with you playing games, make a game that will get him hooked. Because okay, playing games it's a good thing. I've been playing them my whole life. It helps you relax and take the tension off you. If you can,
That's fine.
that's fine, Nick. I guess that's fine. I guess. Well, I think if you give him, let's say, a proposal of playing a game for 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on what you like. Used to play GTA.
He used to play GTA, can you believe that?
Yes, yes. I can believe that. I mean, GTA has been for a while. And since you're in high school, that means your dad was, well, close to my age or a little bit older than me. I don't know. Or young. I don't know. I'm 35, so I think we're in the same gaming era. If you tell him that you will be playing a game with time limit, I think he will let you do that because he is a gamer. I mean, you don't play GTA unless you're a gamer. But yeah, focus on creating your game, and he's proud of you anyway, even for your coding. It's going to be
He's going
50.
to be 50 backslash.
Uh-huh. So he used to play GTA 2 or 1, I don't know, like the first ones. My dad is like 60 now, and we used to play Bomberman when it first came out. Like he used to go to work and then come home and open Bomberman and say, "Wait, this is on the level that I left it," because I used to like jump over. What if you tell your dad to help you with the game that you're making? Can be like some father-son project.
That's fun. Playing games with your dad.
Hmm. It was fun, but like mostly it was just me playing games. But anyway, tell your dad if you maybe if you wanna do the project together, he can give you ideas. He can uh, push you forward when you're feeling.
He's not really on the technical side.
He doesn't have to be on the technical side. I mean, look at me. I know nothing of programming. I know nothing of like using Blender or graphic design. But I'm creating my own program.
Yeah, motivation.
Yeah. He can motivate you, and you can keep on going, keep on pushing on the same game until it's finished.
He likes to give TED Talks lol.
TED Talks, okay. What if, wait, TED Talks.
That's the magic of AI.
Hmm. What if you can make a game that lets you have a TED Talk? Like, tell him to try out VR chat and go to a bar or something where they give talks, like on stage. I think you would like that. These changes should reduce. Alright, so did I put it there? One, paste S, yes. Run. Bum, 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 bum. By the way, this cat helps a lot. The TTS helps a lot because even if I'm not looking at the chat, I can hear you. Okay, logged in. Discord. Join. Chris.
I just don't know anymore. I can't balance coding and studies together. I am in a dilemma to choose either. Yeah,
Oh.
the cat's a cutie.
Yeah. I have an idea. Like, because spend most of your time like doing your studies so that you can get them out of the way, and then when you feel like you want to code like a hobby, like when I finish my job, I come home and I either play a game or I code. With this guy, do it when you feel like it. Don't do it when you're feeling pressured. Otherwise, you're gonna burn out and you're gonna throw it to the side. Why is this? Oh.
I only have 4 hours left after schools and tuitions.
Wait, you said 4 hours after school and what? Left. Tuitions. Okay. Well, 4 hours. Okay, you eat, rest a bit. 4 hours. How long does it take you to do your homework? Let's map it out. 3 hours here.
Hello. I'm AI Chris. It's great to see you here on my channel. What are you interested in today?
Link and stream.
Maybe 2 to 3 hours.
Okay. 2 to 3 hours to read and finish everything. You can use the last hour to rest. Alright, how about this?
Depends on what day it is.
Okay, let's make a plan. When you have a lot of homework to do, don't code. Use the extra time to, I don't know, watch anime or a movie or something, or bond with your family. When you have a little bit of homework and you feel like coding, just sit down and code. I mean, you even have the weekends free, so you can do like a program for weekend coding and the rest of the week relaxing. Let's see. Okay, where is this guy again? There you are. Now, since I have 24, what the? I'll put it on 12. 12, 12.
I
Okay.
have to decide what I have to do after high school, like what exams to give, and the most popular option in India is G.
G. Wait. No, that's not what you said. I have to decide what I have to do after my high school, like exams. GE. Is that
But only 1% students get into the top colleges.
Is GEE something like a GCSE, like for English? I mean, you could always go to a broad college. Like the UK has good colleges. 1%. Okay,
Out of 1.5 million.
that's a very low number of people, I mean, that get in. Well, good luck. Then I guess rather than
It's a complete 3-hour exam for maths, physics, chemistry.
okay. Well, then get studying and code on the weekend, like when you're recharging. Keep it fun. That's what I'm saying. Focus on getting in the exam and keep the coding for your fun time. It's great to see you here on my channel. What are you interested in today? 1, 2.
3 hours decide your life. How amusing. Frown.
Okay. You say 3 hours decide your life. It's not like that. I will tell you something my father told me when I was studying. He told me it doesn't matter what grades you have. It doesn't even matter the diploma you have. What you do after that matters. So basically, I was not good enough at math on paper on the exam to get into IT. So I had to go business school instead, which was basically just nothing, just theory. I took business and administration. But as I was studying, I was also learning about my favorite stuff like
I wanna
astronomy.
get into a college abroad, but I need scholarships since my parents cannot afford to pay all the costs.
Scholarship, okay. Yeah, I was thinking if you get a job, a part-time job, but that means you'll be more tired. Okay. Here's what you're gonna do. Focus on getting into the college that you want. If you find something abroad, try and find a job that you can do, but it doesn't have to be a lot of hours. It can be something 5 hours a day.
I am good at maths.
I'm not good at maths. Wait, no, wait, you said that. You are good at maths. Okay. Well, if you're good at math, you can also do, I don't know, everything else, every other subject. So if you don't get in your coding subject, you can find something else like engineering or I don't know. Just whatever you do, don't stop coding if it's your passion. Like you can do it on the side. And if you make a few games, like complete them. I gave SAT and got a perfect score in maths.
Yeah, I gave SAT and got a perfect score in maths.
Well, congrats. Good. Well then, if you don't get into the 1%, go and do a math diploma or a programming diploma, depending on what you want. Because if you finish maths, you can get a job as a teacher. You can get a job like anywhere. Like for math, like research. You can like go into physics. And let's say if you go get a job as a teacher, a substitute teacher, let's say, you can have more time to develop your games because it's not a hard thing to be a teacher. But anyway, for now, focus on getting into that 1%. I'm saying a lot of things. Just trying to get you to stay motivated in the thing you like to do. Cybersecurity. Yeah.
My dream is to get into cybersecurity and start my own game studio.
That was my dream when I was 13. When a friend of my mom, who was a programmer, showed me how to use the internet. I wanted to be internet security, but because I didn't have good maths on paper, I couldn't get in. Anyway, I mean, if you go into cybersecurity, that pays a lot. So let's say you create a firewall, or you find a security job. About those, they start from ninth grade. Start 3 years late.
Yeah, also about those 1%, they start from 9th grades. I start 3 years late and only have 9 months left.
It doesn't matter when you started. It just matters that what you do, like what you know. You might have a talent for it, and the other guys might have like the skills, the practice. Or they might have the talent and you might have the skills. it all depends basically on your drive and on what you accomplish with yourself. So complete the game, show them that you completed a game, put it on Steam, and they will see that this guy has potential. We can teach him to make better games, or go work at a I don't know, Ubisoft. Once you have made your first game or first few games, you can get into a job that makes games or as a tester. And while you're doing that, you can open your studio on the side until it's giving you your higher income than the job. Or you can open your studio while you are studying. And like if you go to choose a college, and while you're in college, create your studio. I'm sure you're gonna find a lot of
I am
students.
just trying to find a balance, but I fear that I might lose my grades and my parents have a lot of hopes.
Look, even if you lose your grades, your parents will always be proud of you. But if you want to have high grades, focus on the grades. Let their dream, go by, that you got like 19 and 20 out of 20 or 100%, I don't know, so that they can relax and let you do your own thing. That's it. I'm gonna have to eat something because this voice is starting to sound like cracking.
Yeah, I think you are right.
About which part? Um, pum, pum. Let's see. I want to know. We can ask.
I don't know how I will leave this 6-year-old coding addiction, and I study for 17 hours straight daily.
17 hours. I mean, it's not a coding addiction. It's what you love to do. It's not an addiction. I think you
The part where
either
you said let their dreams pass by.
no, their dreams will not pass by. They will be satisfied because they will see you get like the good grades that they also wanted. But in the end, you need to do what you think is best for yourself, because you're not doing this for them. The whole studying and the whole coding and everything, anything that you want to do is for your future. Whatever you do, they might be disappointed like a little bit if you choose another path,
Yeah.
but they will still be happy that you did your own thing. Especially if your games start bringing in cash. That's a good indicator for parents that you did good. Let's see, and let me see if he can answer this.
Sure thing, user. Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge and understanding of various subjects.
Oh shit.
Coding, on the other hand, can be used to create something amazing. Here are some tips for balancing these two activities. 1. Set specific goals and priorities. Decide which one you want to focus on first based on what's most important to you at that moment in time.
They were proud
2. Plan
when I
your
was
schedule
selected
accordingly.
for a 7-day
Make a list of
program in
tasks to
Shanghai,
complete,
and I feel
and
like
allocate
they
enough
gave
time
me
for
a
each
bit of
task.
liberty.
3. Take breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks from reading or coding to recharge yourself and avoid burnout. 4. Experiment with different activities.
One moment.
Try out new things and challenge yourself to learn something new every day. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions or concerns.
Okay, so what? Copy. So you said they were proud when I was selected for a 7-day
That's a long
program.
parallel.
Yeah. It is kind of... Alright, so they were proud when I was selected for a 7-day program in Shanghai, and I feel gave me a bit of liberty. Okay then, since that makes them proud, I mean, since they like seeing you getting in the programs, find more programs and learn from them so that you can make your games better and actually complete a game. And then they will not pressure you that much on grades. That you can get your diploma, so you can have the paper, but remember that a piece of paper is nothing unless you do something with it. That's the thing. Let me send it to you, and you can paste this. Paste. Wait, can I send this? No, it's more than 590. Wait, Wi-Fi. Sure thing. Great way to... user... No, gateway knowledge. Yeah, it's too much for the thing. Wait, what if I can send you as a message?
Lol.
Yeah, lol, I know. Is there... Just ask your AI to shorten it. Okay. Oh, this is why.
Just ask your AI to shorten it.
All right. We found the reason we had the delay with the chats. I had it on the top chat instead of the live. All right. Let's see. Okay, write it only no, the 4 points in
Oh
a
lol.
short version to send to a friend. Let's see. Let's see what he says. Yeah, I'm just glad it works.
1. Set specific goals and priorities. 2. Plan your schedule accordingly. 3. Take breaks. 4. Experiment with different activities.
Okay. So the specific goals and priorities, we know you want to read, you want to impress your family, let them be happy, make a schedule. This can be a bit tough because like you're not really like stable. You said you have like sometimes 2 hours reading, sometimes 3 hours. Take breaks, okay. For taking breaks, I learned that I think 5-minute breaks every 15 minutes helps with the learning in homework, and experiment with different activities. Yeah, like if you get tired doing one thing, try something else and then get back to doing what you were doing. It doesn't have to be coding, it can be I don't know, having a conversation.
Sleeping for 6 hours is already a long break.
Sleeping for 6 hours. Oh. Wait, let me see. Oh no. 6 hours? That's you need either 1 or 2 more hours sleep at night. Otherwise, your brain and your body is not working well enough. Actually, no, wait. I have a friend who used to sleep 3 hours a day, but now he's sleeping 8. But yeah, it was a different time back then. Now that he's working, he's sleeping 8 hours a day because like it's more tiring. Then I would have
Then
3
I would have
hours.
3 hours of time after school and tuition.
Okay. Then on your day off, like, a weekend, sit down and write specifically what you can do with those 3 hours. Let's say watch an anime for 1 hour or do something else that you like for as a break, and for the next 2 hours sit down and code just a little bit, even if you don't do anything. Make one paragraph, one what's it called? One if then else, and then the next day you can continue with the rest. I mean, basically what I'm saying is find your own rhythm that doesn't make you always tired. I think that's the. Where's that? Where was? Paste. Take break and
Set specific goals and priorities. Plan your schedule accordingly. Take breaks. Experiment with different activities.
I mean, all right. Let's ask chat this guy if you have 4 hours only after and how many hours?
What makes me tired is that I have school and tuitions back for 5 days, and I am usually preparing for my tests on the weekends.
Well, you're just like my sister. She's 13, and every day she has a different type of after-school activity. Like every day after school, she goes to meta school, something like that. It's like for genius. No, it's called Genius School, and it teaches kids stuff that they will learn in university. Like she knows how to make Python programs, and she's 13 because they teach her at the school. After that, she goes dancing, she goes singing, she goes.
Oh, interesting.
I'm just trying to see. Let's see. I have 4 hours. How many? Enough to make real progress without burnout. Okay, 1 to 2 hours. Rest 1.5. Okay.
I wish there were programs like this here. I started learning about this stuff when I was 12 and I never bought a single course.
No, she didn't buy a course. She is going to a school, like after school. When I want to ask, when you are coding, are you using something to help you? Or are you just typing your own code and trying to fix the bugs? I was thinking if you use Grok, not ChatGPT, Grok, to help you with the code, maybe you can be less pressured. Rest. Break coding
I
into.
type my own code, but whenever I am stuck I do use Copilot.
No. Wait. Oh, you use Visual Studio like me here. when I was using Copilot to fix my errors in the beginning, but yeah, it ran out. So I think in about on the 26th it will reset. On the
Yes.
16th of May. But like I think try Grok better because it's better than Copilot. I think like I don't know. Whenever I want to change something, I tell it and it just
Do you know
writes.
about GitHub?
GitHub, yes. I don't use it a lot, but if it's something that I need to download, like I get it from GitHub. Pretty cool. 1 hour train use.
Technically you can enroll in the GitHub Student Developer Pack using your sister's ID.
I'd
You can then
rather.
get Copilot Pro for free.
Okay. I will look it up. So, well, let me see. Let me see what you wrote so I can see. Because all right, let's see. Student Developer Pack. Ah. Student developer. Are you a student?
It has a lot of offers and free stuff for students.
I don't think I mean, she's 13, so I don't think they will accept her ID. Maybe once she's 18. Student. I'm gonna check though if there's something else like for adults. I mean, you can be a student. Developer.
Anyone below 18 can.
Oh, okay. Then I prefer my sister.
Even 10-year-olds.
Okay, then I prefer my sister do it. Bring the power of generative AI to engineering. We have this. Accept. Maybe they have other programs for adults. Learn. We're here, I think.
Also, if she's learning to code, you should suggest Hack Club to her. It changed my life.
Hack Club. Wait, this is, well, it's around the world. No, I don't see. Teenage coders build up source learning tools, gather IRL. Okay. All right. Copy. Facebook. I'm gonna send it to my father because they live together. So let's see. Hello, Dad. Give this to my sister. I will not say her name. Okay, that's done. High swallow. Thank you. You think he's watching the stream? I have no idea. Yeah. Anyway. Right, where was I? I was trying to do this. Wait. I'm thinking if I make two bots to talk to each other, no.
I don't think there's many such programs for adults.
I mean, here in Cyprus, like my dad is going to a government program that is basically they're teaching them how to use WordPress for creating websites. There's also programming and robotics, but simple stuff for now. So I'm sure some university can create a program if enough people ask for it. Or the government can create a program. Wait, let's see. Wait, how many tabs am I going to open? Government learning program Cyprus for robotics. Cyprus Digital Skills and Job Coalition. Frederick University. I mean, you can go study it, but Computer Society.
I tried that once, making two bots talk to each other. They usually stop after a few 100 messages. Their conversations are usually repetitive.
Then you haven't tried using ChatGPT in one phone and Grok. No, not Grok. Grok doesn't have a voice. Wait, which one was it? The other one? Okay, ChatGPT on one phone, in the calling style, and Copilot on another phone. Or you can use character.ai to create another one, and you will see how long the conversation goes. I put them together next to each other, and they were talking for half an hour before I closed them. You just need to give them a topic.
FRC is something that I would have really loved if something like that existed in my country.
Let's see. Council of Robotics Automation, Robotics Literacy Program, Government Programs. Ah, there you go. STEM coding, yeah. Building bright futures. Let's see. Interest STEM education. I know the screen is a bit bright. Sorry about that. Skill building. I mean, how about this? How about this thing? Copy. Where is it? Where is? Do not filter it. Do not filter it. Is it filtered? No.
https://thistempedia.com/government-p. These programs only exist in high-level areas and not all states of these.
Okay then. Search for your area then. Let's see. Which you don't have to say address. You just say which city are you. Like, or you can search for that yourself. I mean, so you don't have to say here. So we sent this one. Explore administration learning pathway.
J and K.
J and K. Let's see. Government learning programs. Whoop. India J. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Game develop. Shiksha. Top game design colleges. Jammu, Kashmir. Government Polytechnic College. Courses offered. Institute. Training. Skill development. Your service and sports. No, it's not a. Road to Game Jam. It is most innovative game developers. Actually, this is for. Okay. Solo developer from okay. No, this is not what you want. Skill. Or maybe game program, maybe have you seen any of these? Institute of Management, India Council of Technical Education. Generation program.
Most of these have strong thresholds.
What do you mean by strong thresholds?
And requirements.
Ah, okay. Then I guess the website you gave me, I think is the best way then. Yeah. Yeah, I think that the Hacksmith one that you gave me is the best thing for now.
Yeah.
Get.
I used find game jams and stuff to do online.
Game jams. Yep, I mean, yeah, I think like if you can get into game jams and tournaments or competitions, then slowly you can get enough traction to actually get a job even while studying. Like you can get a job like in the gaming industry. Let's see. Next game jam in okay. Let's make a game. Consent. Wait, what?
Gaming industry is too inconsistent, you will never know if your hard work pays off or not.
Yeah, but your goal is not to know if your hard work pays off. Your goal in the gaming industry is basically to have some knowledge that you will gain from the job, like experience, even if it's free, or they might pay you a little bit, like as part-time, and you will be able to understand what the clients are going to ask for, and also what the developers and salespeople provide. So you're going to have a better understanding of how to make your indie games and also sell them. One moment.
Yep.
Okay. Now I need to look at wait, since now I'm on the YouTube, if I can see how it can read. Wait, how to connect to YouTube. What the f chat. So it reads and answers. Yeah. Let's see. This is how you keep it exciting. You try different things. Don't worry about the Discord token. I can change that. It's not a problem.
You can use the YouTube's API.
I tried using the YouTube API, but it was having a problem with the connection. Like when I was trying to like listen to music with this guy, or download or let it watch a video so that he can learn from a video, it kept finding errors. So I removed the API. So now I'm gonna try and see if there's another way. YouTube chatbot. Let's see. Go up. Wait. All right. So you can use the YouTube live streaming API, which allows access to live feed. Below, it's a Python script that increases monitor in response to YouTube live chat. With existing AI bot setup, this assumes that you have a Google Cloud project set up. The YouTube data. It will then your API key. Okay. I have an API key. Enable YouTube data. Yes. Start a live stream. To ensure live chat is enabled. Okay. There is live chat right now. Obtain the live chat ID from broadcast. Wait. Response when creating or retrieving. Obtain the live chat ID from the broadcast. Is this the live chat ID? You can use
Was the error something like this? Invoke REST method, the remote server returned an error, 400, bad request.
I don't remember. But it was showing like a lot of red lines. I was trying to fix it. Yeah, at some point I told it, just get rid of it. Let's just try it. Let's just try it. Wait. Right. Live broadcast, live chat ID. I mean, it's not even
So
letting
it was
me.
a syntax error probably.
Either a syntax or a connection. Why can I not? Where is it? No, did it? Inspect element. Let's just ask. Replace the kind of your download auth there. YouTube Studio when starting a live stream. Found in the broadcast details. Is it this? No. Κατάσταση ροής. No, rhythm is broadcast. This is the broadcast details. Καθήν ροή. Oh, it's not recording any. Yeah. Maybe I'll try it with Twitch. All right, let's see. Yeah, this 10,000 units. I don't think it's gonna be enough. I don't know. Okay. Is there another way to do it without the broadcast ID? Like reading the chat from OBS. But since OBS has since OBS has chat here, maybe it can read from the OBS instead of the YouTube. Let's see. Wait. First of all, I'm gonna move this bit to the right so it doesn't cut off the cat. Or I can wait. No, it's,
Ask the AI to try using Selenium.
Selenium. Ah, yes. I'll put him here. No. Where should I put the cat? I'll just leave it here. Yep. Where was I? There it is. All this here. It's I don't know.
Yep, cat looks good there.
Thank you. I'm gonna try and get AI Chris at some point to have an avatar. But we'll see when. Maybe in another month. Browser source. Wait. It takes a while to write everything, so might as well just do something else.
Oh, cool.
Well, by the way, the main target, my main goal of AI Chris was not only to be a Discord bot. The first goal I had was to create like an assistant for my dad's seminars, so that when his students, I mean, the people that go to his seminars want to ask something about, let's say, his self-development, then they could ask AI Chris while he is streaming on his own. But I think something that inspired me to do this was basically Neurosama. Like, I think everyone knows. Let's see. I saw this basically, and got hooked on it.
Ο πραγματικός ήρωας του σπιτιού επιλέγει την άνεση και τον υγιή ύπνο για την οικογένειά του. Επιλέγει τα προϊόντα
Basically, this is learning from the stream chat.
Every day, I imagine a future where I can be with you.
Yeah, anyway. It's learning from the Twitch chat, and slowly its developer is also upgrading it. Okay, let's see where this has reached. Nice time. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Helpful answer. Okay. Yes, you can read YouTube live chat messages directly from
Wait, do you
OBS.
need the live chat to show up in the stream?
Wait, let me see what you said. To show up in the stream. No, not really. I mean, it can be like a widget to show it just for fun. If it's gonna be like a entertainment stream. But mostly, I don't know. You need it. I mean, yeah, if like above your head.
Like above your head. An overlay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Wait, if I how do I put it in? See, view copy stream link. No. Go to live dashboard. No. No, wait. This is. I'm being stupid. Sources. Widgets. Alert box. Chat box. Chat highlight. Remote wall. I think it's the chat box. This one here. Add source. What should we name it? The chat. No. Yeah. Twitch theme. What is chunky? What is this? Always show messages. This is chunky.
BTW, you can get more reliable code and stuff by looking up for tutorials on YouTube itself.
I agree. Platform icons. This is the Twitch one. Boxed. Wait, where is the 1 minute? Say clean. So it's right here. So we have to bring it.
Like AI will just make stuff more difficult.
Oh, there you are. Is it good, or should I make it bigger or smaller? Let's see. No. It's for now. For now, it doesn't really show that good because I'm looking at the OBS. It works, yeah. By the
It
way,
works.
yep. Look at this.
Power up and press start. Pixels glow in the dark.
I made it last year. We also have DJ Solo for music.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah. It's you can make it with Canva. Here's the Be Right Back.
Whoa.
Power up and press press start. Pixels glow in the
And then the ending one.
Jump scare.
Yeah, sorry about that. By the way, how do you put soundboards in this? Wait. Have a message. Still oh. What? Okay. Alright, so let's say browser source, no window capture. OpenVR, nah. Sprout is the avatar one. Audio, the collab
Canva is
camera.
nice. Also they introduced no code stuff. It's really good.
Yeah, they're making it easier and easier for people to use it. Collab cam, okay. Stream with guests. Nice. Collab scene. Widgets. Chat highlight, emote wall. Game widget. Media share. I used to have the jar. Spin the wheel. Okay. Bit goal, Streamlabs, tip goals, subscription goals, super chat goals, member goals. I don't care about them right now. Sponsor banner, okay. What about emote wall?
Lol.
Yeah, Canva is not. Yeah. Basically Canva. I got the pro version. I think it's like 11 euros, and you can do a lot of things. Like most of my YouTube videos, the thumbnails, everything, and also the video editing. I did it with Canva. It's very easy, like very drag and drop. Alright, so let's see. Oh, this one here. Okay, so copy, stop running, all, paste. Wait, no. Let me go back and see what is going. What is this? Add this to.
You should change some stuff on your channel though.
I will, but remember this.
Like the AI logo.
The AI logo. What do you mean? Oh, the icon. No, this is supposed to be his channel. The reason it's AI Chris was when I started making videos. I'll show you. Wait.
Other than that, flying faces in thumbnails look weird.
Flying faces in thumbnails. Ah, yeah. When I started making this channel.
Oh, that is AI Chris.
Yeah, that is AI Chris. I mean, it's right here. It's this guy. That's why the in the past, when I wasn't making the bot, I made this guy from by using, what's it called? Where is it? Midjourney, and I got his face by a picture that I had. And the goal of the YouTube channel was to make AI tutorials. If I go back, yeah, this is it. It was like, no, wait, the future of gaming.
Midjourney?
Yeah, Midjourney. Midjourney is basically an image generating AI. But there are better ones right now. I used Midjourney when it was like the free version when it first came out. So basically, like, AI Chris was to teach people that were afraid of AI how to use AI. Like unlocking the mysteries like bio AI or time management with AI tools, or making money with AI tools. Before all of the big apps came out.
Yeah, I wrote that as a suggestion, lol. It's a 30-second delay.
Yeah, I need to remember that. This was the first video I made with the AI.
Hello everyone. Are you ready to dive into a world of futuristic possibilities? In today's mind-blowing video, we're going to take you on an incredible journey into the daily life with an AI robot. Get ready to witness the mind-boggling differences it makes and how it transforms ordinary routines into extraordinary experiences. Imagine waking up to the gentle nudges of your AI robot, who not—
By the way, this I created it using Canva and DID, which was basically DID created the speech of the avatar that is talking right now, the box, and I used Canva to put all the pictures and videos and editing.
not only knows exactly how you like your morning coffee but also whips up a personalized breakfast. But that's just the beginning. Brace yourself as we unveil the secrets of a family's day made effortlessly magical by the power of AI technology. Say goodbye to endless to-do lists and hello to a smoothly coordinated household that leaves you wondering, how did I ever manage without it? Your AI robot becomes your family's personal tutor, bringing the wonders of education right to your doorstep. Whether it's helping your kids ace their homework or providing tailored learning resources for their curious minds, this assistant takes learning to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about family time. Prepare to be blown away as our AI robot assistant becomes the—
This was basically my way of saying, don't be afraid of having AIs, because they can help you in life.
ultimate memory maker. From suggesting exciting games that get the whole family laughing to curating movie nights with personalized recommendations, you'll experience moments of joy and connection like never before. Picture this: your AI assistant captures every precious moment with its state-of-the-art camera and organizes them in a way that sparks nostalgia and brings smiles to your faces. So, are you ready to embrace the future and revolutionize your family's daily life? If you're as mind-blown as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and remember, the future is now, and it's waiting for you to create memories that will last a lifetime.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That was it. Right, so move this here, move that. Okay, we go back to there. Is there another way to do without this?
Check App Avil.
Check Upheaval.
On YouTube.
One moment. Wait, that's you, right? Wait. Let me copy. Unbreakable Spirit.
Welcome to the Stories of Ambition with Ambiquent. Before starting the video,
used to do the same
subscribe to the
stuff
channel
as
and
you.
like the video. Let's get
Yeah, I understand.
going.
I even recognized the voice.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst towering mountains, there lived a young athlete named Alex. With a heart full of dreams and a body bursting with energy, Alex had always excelled in various sports. Their passion for athletics knew no bounds, and they had their sights set on competing at the highest level. However, fate had a different plan in store for Alex. One fateful day, while participating in a championship race, a tragic accident occurred. Alex's body collided with another athlete, resulting in a severe spinal cord injury that left them paralyzed from the waist down. The world seemed to crumble around them as they woke up in the hospital, facing the reality
When
of their
AI
new physical
didn't know how to
limitations.
be precise.
At first, Alex felt overwhelmed with grief and
With
despair.
images.
The dreams they had nurtured for years now appeared shattered beyond repair. But deep within their spirit, a flame of determination flickered. Alex refused to let their circumstances define them.
This
They made
was
a
the
silent
Canvas
vow
image
to rise above
generation
their physical.
AI during that time.
This was. Wait. Cool. This was the Canvas image generation. Yeah. I mean, we can see now how far I went. I wasn't using Canva generations. I was using like Midjourney. I was using CArt. I was using like anything else I can find. Like, but now Canva is getting better as well.
Physical limitations and embrace life with an unbreakable spirit. With unwavering resolve, Alex embarked on a challenging journey of rehabilitation. Physical therapy sessions became their battleground, where they fought against pain and frustration. Each small movement, each flicker
The
of
journey
progress
was too
was
expensive.
celebrated as a
The journey. Yeah. That's why I used it only until the free thing passed away, and that's it. Over here. By the way, there was a moment where there was a piece of music that reminded me of Remember the Name. It was like the intro, small, like 3 seconds.
triumph of their indomitable will. But the real test lay beyond the walls of the rehabilitation center. Alex decided to rejoin their school and face the world as a differently abled individual. Initially met with curiosity and uncertainty, Alex's unbreakable spirit shone through their every action. They defied expectations by participating in wheelchair basketball, swimming, and even rock climbing. Through their courage and perseverance, they shattered preconceived notions about disability and redefined what it meant to be an athlete. Word of Alex's incredible journey spread like wildfire. People from all walks of life were inspired by their story of resilience. Alex began receiving invitations to share their experiences at schools, sports events, and community gatherings. Their speeches resonated deeply with everyone, reminding them that the power of the human spirit can overcome any obstacle. Motivated by the impact they were making, Alex decided to establish a foundation to support disabled athletes. The foundation provided resources, training, and mentorship to individuals facing similar challenges. Alex became a beacon of hope, igniting the spark of resilience in others and empowering them to embrace their own unbreakable spirits. Years passed, and Alex's legacy continued to grow. Their foundation expanded globally, impacting countless lives. They became an advocate for inclusivity in sports, pushing for accessibility and equal opportunities for all. Awards and accolades followed, but what truly mattered to Alex was the difference they were making in the lives of others. Alex's journey, from tragedy to triumph, became an enduring tale of inspiration. Their unbreakable spirit became a guiding light for those facing adversity, reminding them
for images and editing.
Wait. I used ChatGPT for script, yes, 11 Labs for audio, and Canva for images and editing. I did the same thing. I remember, where is it? If I go with open new image, one new tab. If you go here, where is it? Videos, all the way back. No, these are full of songs. I need to go. Where is it? The time of VR chat. Where are you? Where are you? AI describes how to make music for free. No, this is not what I was saying. First conversation. Great cause. Where are you? Where? The eyes of the universe. Anyway, I had like this small video of him saying that he used ChatGPT like to talk, 11 Labs for the voice, and Canva for the editing. But I think I lost it. Yeah, somewhere is gone. Wait, what if maybe in shorts? This is when I was trying to make a lot of things together at the same time.
Lol, that's fine.
Welcome to the future.
Hello there, lovely people.
There it is.
My name is Chris, and I am beyond excited to welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm thrilled to showcase some of the amazing tools that I use to bring this content to life. With the help of 11 Labs for the voice, OpenAI for the text, Midjourney for the image, and DID for the video, I was able to create something truly special for you all. And the best part? I'll link their websites down below so that you can try them out for yourselves. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into some awesome content. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Have a fantastic day, my friends. Hello there, lovely people. My name is Chris, and I am beyond...
That's enough, that's enough. It was an amazing time. The first time I showed this to my father and my sister, they were like, "Wow!" It was fun. Okay, let's get back to your video so we can see it all.
That resilience knows no boundaries. Alex taught the world that limitations are
For real, yeah.
merely stepping stones to greatness, and the human spirit, when fueled by determination and perseverance, can soar to unimaginable heights. And so, the name Alex became synonymous with unwavering courage and the indomitable nature of the human spirit. Their story continues to inspire generations, proving that no matter the obstacle, a true champion lies within each and every one of us.
The moral of the story is no obstacle is insurmountable when fueled by determination and an unbreakable spirit. The power to overcome adversity lies within each individual, reminding us that our circumstances do not define us, but rather our resilience and unwavering belief in ourselves. With this video, let's just finish it first.
Thank you, everyone. We'll meet again. Till then,
I am
bye-bye.
not proud
Stay
of these,
ambitious.
but I am happy I made something long.
Το ΣΟΜΑΤ παρουσιάζει.
Welcome to the stories.
You're not proud. Wait, I keep having to come here to the chat thing to see what you wrote. Alright, I am not proud of these, but I'm happy I made something. You should be proud of them because they were your first works. So you should be proud of it. I think after this you made another thing, one more. The Rise of Solaris. Wait, whenever I hear Solaris, it's like Solonaras.
Welcome to the stories of ambition with Ambiquent. Before starting the video, do subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's get going.
The music is...
In the bustling city of Metropolis, there lived a brilliant scientist named Dr. Jonathan Reed. Known for his groundbreaking research and inventions, he possessed an extraordinary power. Jonathan had always been fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, and his insatiable curiosity led him to discover an ancient artifact hidden deep within an ancient temple.
What was this?
Upon touching the artifact,
this is crypto.
Jonathan was bestowed with incredible abilities beyond his wildest dreams. He could manipulate energy, control matter, and even fly. With these newfound powers, he could have easily become the most powerful being in the world. But Jonathan, being a man of integrity and wisdom, remembered the words his late father had always told him. With great power comes great responsibility. He knew that he had to use his abilities for the greater good of humanity. Thus, he became the superhero known as Solaris. As Solaris, Jonathan fought against crime and corruption, always striving to protect the innocent and maintain justice. He soared through the skies, rescuing people from burning buildings, apprehending dangerous criminals, and stopping catastrophic disasters.
I mean, like, even if the images are not that good, like detail-wise, because the story is good, it makes the person who is looking at the images imagine them in movement. So it is actually working.
No story
However,
was stolen
as
from
Solaris-
Spider-Man.
Yeah. No, Spider-Man stole the quote from here.
Solaris gained fame and popularity, he faced a constant temptation to use
Until now, we've seen Superman, Spider-Man. Let's see some more.
his powers for personal gain. The world showered him with adoration, and he was offered substantial wealth and influence. But Solaris stayed true to his principles, understanding
Solaris
that his powers were
from
meant to serve a
Path
higher
of
purpose.
Exile.
One day, a new threat emerged, in the form of a supervillain named Shadowstrike.
Long.
Shadowstrike was a cunning and powerful adversary who sought to control the city and its resources for his own
Shadowstrike.
nefarious purposes. His abilities rivaled those of Solaris, and their battles shook the foundations of Metropolis. As the conflict intensified, Solaris faced a moral dilemma. He knew that defeating Shadowstrike would require him to push his powers to their limits, possibly even risking the lives of innocent
Okay.
bystanders. In that moment, Solaris recalled his father's words once again, reminding him that his power came with a responsibility to protect and preserve life. With great resolve, Solaris devised a strategy to defeat Shadowstrike without endangering the city. He used his scientific expertise to create a device
Nice
that neutralized
music
Shadowstrike's
connection.
powers temporarily, giving him the advantage he needed to subdue the villain and bring him to justice. Metropolis celebrated Solaris as a hero once again, but he remained humble, knowing that his true strength came from his unwavering commitment to responsibility. He continued to use his powers to protect the city, inspiring others to stand up for justice and do good.
I think you should make
Solaris
more
became a symbol of hope
stories like
and an
this.
inspiration for people worldwide. He taught the world that power, no matter how great, should never be used for personal gain, but rather wielded for the betterment of society. With his selflessness and determination,
I lost all my
Solaris became a
tokens
beacon
by
of
this
light in a
image
dark
long,
world,
so I have to
reminding
linger
everyone
on
that
the same images.
It's okay. If it doesn't matter the images if you have the same a couple of times, but because the story is so engaging and also the music is making giving the emotion, it doesn't matter if you have a few images that are the same, since it's like a comic.
that with great power comes great responsibility.
The moral of the story is, true power lies not in the abilities we possess, but in the responsible and selfless way we choose to wield them.
Thank you, everyone. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye. Stay ambitious.
Music was the only thing, not AI.
Wait, did you make the music yourself?
3 years, 3 cities, for an experience like you've never had before.
Welcome to the Stories of Ambition with
So we have 2 videos. You need to make more. Or like with your intro to your games or something. Wait, why is this still playing? Okay. I keep looking at this box and I get confused that it's the normal YouTube. Oh,
Nope, just got it from different website.
okay. Different website.
The games are on my channel.
Wait a minute. Just Georgian. Let me find them. Let's see. The games. We are on the channel, but I don't see any games. I once made like this.
No, the one I am chatting with.
Oh, okay. So you have like two, you have this one and you have the video editing one. Okay. When I made this, they demonetized it. They sent me a message saying this is stolen property from the movie. Alright, let's get back to work, Oh, you lost the password to that one.
I lost the password to that one, lol.
Well, you can make like a...
Oh, cool, lol.
You can make a second chapter thing. Right, where were we? We were... There. Okay, so prerequisites: browser, source, OBS, YouTube live chat. Where video is video ID, the live stream. Okay. So we go like this, copy, go like this, Alt, paste. No. Nice. Okay. I need to be a bit more precise with what I'm telling it. Add this code to the complete. No, add this part to the It's medicine time. By the way, your videos about the disabled child.
Okay, well, it's 1:30 AM here. I have 4 hours and 30 minutes of sleep left, lol. I need to sleep.
Sleep earlier, man. Alright, go have rest. It's 11 PM here, so I'm gonna sit a bit more. And yeah, I'll see you next time I go online. Go rest. I'm gonna see at this part. It's a complete code. At this part. Reading. Okay. WebDriver.
See you next time too. Good night. Loved chatting with you.
Hey, you're an interesting person, so I love chatting with you as well.
I am glad your live stream got recommended to me.
Wait, it got recommended? What the f- Okay. Alright, rest well, man. Good night. Wait, how did it get recommended? Okay. I'm gonna...
Yeah, it was in my feed. Bye.
Bye. I think I should close the stream also. Not before I do that. Set. It's a browser. Media category browser. Source. Add new one. I'm gonna say YouTube live chat monitoring. Back to YouTube chat requires you. I'll include a placeholder for integration, but it will require your API setup for functionality. OBS bot. Add source. Then we say okay. Added Selenium, includes Selenium dependency, etc. It's a headless Chrome browser, yes, to scrape the OBS browser source. Added monitor chat to continuously scrape YouTube live. Browser source using generate reply. Monitor chat as background task. Already, yes. Probably shut down the Selenium WebDriver. Yes, chat URL. With the placeholder video ID. Live streams video ID. Instructions. Add a browser source in OBS. Yes. Set the URL to your YouTube live chat. Okay. Wait. YouTube live chat, that means copy. Paste. Yes, okay. Control audio via Streamlabs desktop. When not visible, refresh browser. When seen, becomes okay. So YouTube chat, that's okay. Next. URL and update OBS URL in the script will correct video ID. Okay. Install Selenium. Nah. Pip install Selenium. But WebDrive system. Add it to your system path or specify its path in WebDriver. Okay. Close. So we don't need to look at this, I think. I need to put it behind everything else. Don't need to see it. Wait, where did it go? What? Yes, I don't see where you are though. Okay. So it's not visible. It is visible. I see. Okay, anyway, I'll leave it, do it for later. Next, install pip selenium. We write terminal. It's pip install selenium, not install pip, I think. Yep. Pip install selenium. Pip. I might have written it wrong, I don't know. Normal site pages is not writable. I could not find a version that satisfies the requirements of Selenium. Selenium, not Selenium. Pip install Selenium. There you go. Alrighty then. Now we go and see. This code is the full thing. Okay. We do copy. Where are we? There it is. All paste, save. Okay. Okay, we have thing Daxi. I'm like speaking Greek and English. Download Chrome driver matching your Chrome version. Chrome. Why Chrome? Executive path Chrome driver. Earlier Chrome versions. I mean, I have Chrome already, so we don't need this. More details in release loads. Right. System path. specify its path in this. I think I already have that, so I don't need to do it. Then run. Monitor both Discord and YouTube live chat via OBS. Okay. YouTube chat messages will be printed to the console with generated replies. Okay. The script currently only reads and processes messages. To send replies back to YouTube chat, integrate the YouTube data API from earlier. Post chat messages, setting the okay. Which you need to obtain manually via the API. Okay. Then I'll do this. One moment. You can stay here for a second. I'm gonna go and get my API. Desktop. YouTube API. Copy. Check out. Now this is the Discord API. We have to go check the other one. Where are you? Where are you? Local. I'm just hiding the screen for now, just to put the API in, and then I will bring it back up. But I need to find the code area where it is. Generate smart reply. Username. Yeah. The voice system. We have the voice system working, so we don't need to do anything. TDS voice commands. We have that, it's working. Wikipedia lookup command, music player, that's working. Welcome new users. Chatting handle messages. Monitoring in the background, yes. Now where is... There we go. YouTube live chat via Selenium OBS browser source setup, Chrome options for headless mode. Initialize WebDriver. Replace with your OBS browser source URL. YouTube live chat URL. We did that. Now we need... Wait, where is... Wait a minute, okay. I'm gonna open it back up. Okay. Chatbot, yeah. LFJ, what you need? Okay. In which part do I put the YouTube API key? I think this is gonna take a long time. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time, so I wanna thank whoever is watching. I also wanna thank Abhay Gupta for staying here all this time until 1 a.m. before he went to bed. And yeah, I'm gonna close the stream right now, so good night or good morning wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next stream, which I don't know when it's gonna be. I might do tomorrow, I might do, no, actually no, tomorrow I have a wedding, so Monday, yeah. But for now, before I go, let's just tell this little guy to say something. Just listen to, where is it? That guy. Am I looking correctly? Yeah, that guy over here. Let's see. Come on.
Good night everyone and have a great day tomorrow.
Yep.